Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today, oh my gosh, why is this glitching out? I'm so sorry, this is so unprofessional. Today we are going to be watching this delicious snack. This is actually going to be a reaction video to a gacha parody. And also, please subscribe to who this is made by, and please subscribe to me too. Like the video and comment on what you want me to do next. I will leave the person's name at the very end of this video, so please go ahead and like and subscribe. Anyway, let's get on with the video. I will be trying my best voice acting. Well, no, I'll be reading. I won't be voice acting. So sorry. Warning. Cringe, cringe, cringe. Happy birthday, Noah! Haha, thanks, Julia. And thanks for that hug. It was amazing. I know, I give the best hugs ever. Well, I can confirm that's not a lie. Haha. Ha. Shoot. Ha. Thanks. Plus, this place is beyond amazing. So decorated. Thanks so much, but I can't take all the credit. My mom helped me. She wanted today to be the best birthday ever. Speaking of best birthday ever, have you seen Kyle? You mean your boyfriend of 8 months? Nine, actually. Haha. Today is our anniversary, too. And I kinda have a surprise for him. It's his favorite. Well, in that case, I saw him talking to his friends in the living room. He should be there. Thank you, Julia. You're the best. Haha, I know. What? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I forgot. I'm so sorry. I don't have premium, so I can't just get through this. Hey, my love. Happy 9 months. Mwah. Noah, we need to talk. My guy, on his birthday? Same. I have so much plans on what we're going to do today. Shoot. I feel bad. I almost feel bad. No, Noah, I don't mean like that. Huh? What are you talking about, my love? I'm saying we need to end this relationship. What? You just don't excite me anymore. The spark has left me. What the hell? Plus, I feel like you're too clingy and you never give me a rest. Should I say it? I mean, like, yeah, I'll say it. What the fuck, Kyle? On my birthday? And anniversary? Seriously? Yeah, dude, you could have ended it after, really. Sorry, I just had to say it. I couldn't hold it in. Not to mention, I've been seeing someone else for the past 2 months. You're joking. Kyle, you're the devil. And I think they are the one for me. So you've been cheating on me for 2 months? I wouldn't really say cheating, just discovering, you know? That's cheating. Kyle, that's cheating. Kyle, seriously? I loved you, and you knew that. I'm sorry, Noah. I really am. I just think I'm better off without you. Nah, he's better off without you, bro. Noah. Bro, you're better than this. You will get past this alone. Well, not completely alone. Maybe you can work on your singing career better that I'm gone. At least he cares. At least he still cares. Honestly, with his expression when Noah came in the room, it was like I don't want to do this. Noah, I still love you, but like, I like someone else too. And I know you're not gonna allow it. It will never be the same without your support. Jeez. Well, that's gotta sting. Well, I'm sorry. I like someone else. You can like both. Jeez. I do hope you have a nice life, though. At least ask if you can be friends. Oh, and happy birthday, Noah. Why is the word whole there? It just confused me. What a whole jerk. Why would he break up with you on your special day and see someone? This is horrible, right, Savannah? Savannah has no words. Don't ask her crap. She's just gonna agree with you. Yeah, I feel so bad for you, Noah. Kyle has no idea what he's missing on. Oh. The thing is, I don't believe he fell out of love. I just feel like the spark's not the same because they've been doing the same old stuff. Like, yeah. Anyway, sorry. I keep pausing this video. We're trying to get through this. Anyway. Yeah, I feel so bad. Oh, right. I already read that. It's no use. Ugh, I can't believe I wasted my time on him. He's such a jerk. Not to mention, he's my first love. I've never felt this much pain ever. I don't think I'll ever get over him. Bro. Nah, cut the girls out for a minute. You will, bro. You're you. I don't even know what to say about the fact that you're you, but you will. And, oh, shoot. Anyway, Yes, you will, Noah. It will take some time, but you will. But in the meantime, me and Savannah will cheer you up. I mean, we are BFFs. It's hard doing two girl voices. Thanks, girls. You're the best. No problem. Now let's make the most of today because it's your B-Day. And Savannah hasn't told us about her new boyfriend. Oop. Girl's like, I'ma leave. It's a private relationship. I won't say anything unless he allows me. I smell red flag. Shut up. He's a very nice guy. He's just not ready to reveal himself yet. Whatever you say. Oh, get a grip, Julia. A month later. That's it. Julia, what are you doing here? Your mom called me, and I think it was the right decision. I still can't clarify if Savannah is his mom, but I think she is. I didn't look close enough at details. Where's Savannah? I'm here. On the phone, silly. Sorry I couldn't make it. I'm at holiday with my boyfriend. That sounds like a dream, Sav. We're gonna try that. You should live that life. And so should you, Noah. You shouldn't leave all this for that boy, bro. Plus, you have tons of requests for your singing career. I could never. Every time I sing, I remember him. It's no use. Nope, I don't want to hear it. Noah, you deserve the world because I don't care what you say. So sorry about that, guys. Anyway, let's continue. Forcing me, Julia. Julie, sorry. Yes, that's why me and Sav have booked you a booked you for, why couldn't you just spell the word? It confused me half to death. Booked you for a holiday, and there is singing, and there just put the word. I'm so sorry. Plus a singing show there. You guys are nuts. I did not agree or even know any of this. Shut up, Sav. Ruining the blame that I'll blame you when it messes up. Whoa, Julie. I could never believe. But anyways, Noah, I hope everything goes well. Well for you on that trip. And we're here for you and love you dearly. Hope you have fun, Noah. My support is with you. That was so sweet, Noah. Did you hear that? Nope. Nope, he did not. Noah? I suck at this. Seriously, the song Grenade? Hey, it's my comfort song. I can't believe I'm agreeing to this. Oh, frick. I missed so much. Didn't really have a choice anyways, Noah. Yeah, what your mom said. I knew that was not it. Ugh, sometimes I question you, Julia. Julie! Gosh, I'm so sorry. And sometimes I question you, like right now. Why are you not in the car? Bro really said, what happened to my partner? Huh? Standing right next to you, love. Oh my god. Already? Really? Already? Man? It's only been 6 minutes of this video. This is my partner. Don't be disappointed. I'm really fun. I'm gonna turn this down because I feel like it's way too loud for you guys to hear me, and I'm so sorry if it is. And full of surprises. Are you seriously flirting with me right now? Difference between flirting and having love fun. I mean, having fun, love. Oh gosh. Please. Oh no, forget what you just saw. Difference between flirting and having fun, love. Oh my god. Oh my. But this is just the beginning. Bro, I already see it. It's giving ever after high. Oh, frick. It's giving ever after high. No one got my joke. No. Oh, I'm sure everyone will, right? Julia, I think you just stop talking. Julie! Julie, I think you just stop talking. And I think you should just go in the car. Grammar is get in the car, but okay. Where did you get Nova from? Sorry. Yeah, Nova. Let's leave. I'm tired of being here. Where did you get Nova? It's Noah! This is gonna be a long day. I can tell, lady. Oh my jeez. James. Welcome. You must be James and Noah. I'm Eddie, your boss and manager. I've seen the videos of you guys singing, and I think you guys have a unique voice. Jeez. So I've paired you two up for the next showcase. You guys look well together. You hear that, Grapehead? We are made for each other. It's not that funny. Oh, don't flatter yourself, James. Hope you guys know that you guys will be performing for a couple's anniversary party. Oh, that's evil. Evil. Keyword, couples and anniversary. Keywords. Meaning that they've already picked the song. What song then? Which will be none other than Love Me Like You Do. Wow. This is evil all over. I'm gonna try to stop talking as much. Beyond Rockin', Rainbow High has gotten to my head. Sorry, TYT. TYT? Is that? I don't know. I truly don't know. Your performance will be next month. I hope you're prepared. Enjoy your holiday. I don't think I can perform that song. Huh? Why not? It's kind of me and my you know what? Never mind. It's kind of personal anyways. Well, okay then, but I got to go. Something came up. What? Just these. This is the third one, and I'm so sorry. A week later. Okay, I'm sorted. It's just you now. You don't want to sing? I'll sing tomorrow if it's calm. It's calm? Wait, what? What? I'll sing tomorrow. It's calm. Same excuse as yesterday, Grapehead. Be more original. Okay, I have a reason. And it is... It used to be... Whoever made this needs serious grammar classes. It used to be mean, my ex's love song. Nah, that looks like mean with a dang D, but they didn't put a space, so it's... It used to be me and my ex's love song. And singing it reminds me of him. God damn, bro. I'm sorry, I don't feel nothing right now. Just the grammar. The grammar of this person is bad. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know. It's fine. He was a jerk anyways. Why? What did he do? No way. How dare he? On your birthday as well? Plus cheating? Cheating. He's such a... Okay, they can actually put it in there, but I will say it. He's such a dick boyfriend. You deserve better for real. You're lucky it was below that, or I would... Okay. You think? Oh, I know. You... Shoot. I think I took too long to start reading it. Oh, I know. You're so kind and loving. I stoop... And... What? What is that word? Were they trying... I think I know what word they were trying to spell. And stupid, why would someone ever... Whoa, you made me blush a little. That's cute. Just try not to fall for me, love. Don't flatter yourself. Of course, love. Now let's get singing. A month later. Wait, a month plus a week. Okay, never mind. Is it just me, or are you getting shorter? Can you, like, shut up? You're annoying me. Nah, it's... What? Nah, it's funny like this. Ugh, whatever. Why are we here again? How did you... How did you forget? We are meeting the couple? Oh, hell no! You're joking. Okay, having to deal with a couple is one thing. Having the same freaking song is another thing. Having it be your ex and their new is absolutely bizarre. Noah? Kyle. What are you doing? Are you stalking me? I didn't know you were crazy for me. No, dummy. Does he say that every time someone says something like that? Don't flatter yourself. I've gotten over you. Realized I won't waste my time. Damn. So if you're the couple, where's your partner? Babe, I think we have a problem. Here. Oh, you. Oh, you're. Uh. Uh. What the hell, Savannah? You're the girl he's been cheating to? That did not make sense. Listen, I can explain. Jeez. Bro's standing there and he has... Nah, sorry, I will read that after. Bro's standing here and he's like... Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. What is going on? No, you were supposed to be my best friend. You supported me and made me feel better. Nah, shut up. Just go behind my back and date him while he was dating me? The freak. I love him. I love him and he loves me. I've never been more happy. Why can't you see? It's giving Cassidy TVT. You're the fakest friend ever. Oh shoot, I didn't. You're the fakest friend ever. And I'm so glad I found out. If F? F? Oh. F you and your stupid party. Please forgive me. Didn't you hear what I said? No. It's... Oh, shoot. Oh, that's where I got the A from. No, let's leave. This isn't... This Noah, no, let's leave this Noah. They are not worth it. What the hell? I feel so betrayed. She acted like she was there for me, but she went behind my back and did that? You didn't deserve that at all. I'm so proud of you for denying her apology. You really need better friends to support you, and Savannah is not that friend. So let's show them let's show them how they really messed up by showing what an amazing voice you. What the hell? Most random thing to say ever. Sometimes I just want to kiss you. What's stopping you? It's a joke. Whatever you say, shorty. I didn't want to get copyrighted, so here you go. Do I have to sing? I thought I was gonna have to sing lyrics. I'm scared. Nah, I'm sorry, I'll turn this up for y'all, because I ain't talking. What? Oh my gosh. That was something else. Now I just want to say something. I don't know, I'm scared. I thought I would never find someone to love or to experience love with. But turns out grape is my favorite flavor, so do you like him because his hair is grape? Do you like him because his hair is the color of grapes? That is so, like, what? It better nah. When life gives you grapes, I say you cherish it. You can literally get grapes from anywhere. Lemons is kind of hard to find, though. Oh, will you be my boyfriend? Nah. Oh, I legit thought that was gonna be a no. Ow. It's true though. That was the worst proposal ever. Counting that as yes. I hate you. Whatever you say, shorty. Okay, so here's the thing, you guys. Listen to me when I say I would have loved to read that paragraph for you. But I was trying to figure out one thing. And let me go back so I can actually attempt to figure that out. If you guys know what this means, then you guys know what it means. If you don't, you don't. But okay. TBH. That sounds like a title anyone would use if they are really cheesy and cringe. That's a great idea. No. No. Is that why it's called this? Okay. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to me and this lovely person who made this video. And I'll see you guys another time. Bye. Okay, seriously now. Goodbye. Oh no. Goodbye.